Question 1a. Dan, Ellie, Federico, Govert and Haley have volunteered to support a youth club. Part 1. 2 volunteers are required for Monday evening. A total of 10 combinations are possible. List them. And I would suggest a systematic approach. So, when we look, our first pair could be Dan and Ellie, D and E, or D and F, or D and G, or D and H, or E and F, E and G, E and H, or F and G, F and H, G and H. And we have here 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. We have 10 pairs, 10 combinations. Part 2. The number of selections can be found using n and k as combination, or n factorial over k factorial, n minus k factorial, as we have here in the format on the left. State the value of n and k. We have got in the situation above, we have 5 people and we want to just choose 2. And 5 choose 2, we can say 5, 2 using the combinations, in which case we can say that n is 5 and k is 2. Let's just use the formula to work out what that gives us. That will give us 5 factorial over 2 factorial, 5 minus 2 factorial, which will be 5 factorial over 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So if we now go to the calculator, 5, we need to go to toolbox, we need to come down till we get to probability, go across, combinatorics, we could go across again, and we want the factorial. So we have 5 factorial, the cursor's not in quite the right place, move across one, now we can do divide, and now we need 2 factorial, 2, toolbox, we can select that again, come across one, times 3, need the toolbox, enter, this is what we want, 10. Which, that 10 matches the 10 we had at the start. Part 3. If randomly selected, calculate the probability that Federico will be working. So if we look at our list above, we can see Federico is here, 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 and here in 4 of the pairs. So he will be working in 4 out of the 10, which we know is 0.4. Haley will not be working. So one way of doing it would be to just look. Haley is not working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 opportunities where Haley is not working. 6. 6 out of 10, 0.6. What about Govert will work with Ellie? Well, Govert and Ellie, that's just that once, that's that one pair. So it will be just 1 out of 10, 0.1. Neither Dan nor Ellie work. So how many times do neither of those 2 work? Well, Dan is in all of those, Ellie is in all of those. These are the only 3 where neither of them work, so the answer is 3 out of 10, 0.3.